Hey, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you my best kitchen tips for cooking and cleaning. This is one of many videos that I offer on YouTube as well as online virtual classes so that we can all live truly thriving lives.
All right, so I'm gonna start with cooking tips, then I'll go into the cleaning tips. So tip number 1 is to keep fresh foods visible and available. That way you know where they are, you remember to eat them, and you're encouraged to stay healthy. And as for my fresh herbs, I keep those in the fridge in some jars of water to keep them fresh longer. All right, so tip number 2 is to prep and bake multiple meals together. This saves so much time. So it could be anywhere from just cooking all of your grains for the week, all of your rice, all of your quinoa, all of your oatmeal for the week. I also like to bake all the vegetables for the day together. That saves so much time. And just so you know, I do plan to post a video at some point about cooking staple foods in bulk. So if you're interested in that, leave a note in the comments. All right, tip number 3 is to share a dish as a family on one dish, Ethiopian style, saves dishes. Tip number 4 is to nourish your skin with the fresh leftovers. Tip number 5 is to save those scraps for compost. You can put them in the freezer and compost later. Tip number 6 is to request and accept help in the kitchen, especially for those of us with little ones. If you cook for a child, they'll eat for a day. But if you teach a child to cook, they'll eat for a lifetime. And they might make you something delicious later down the road. So get them in the kitchen, teach them early. All right, so on to my time-saving cleaning tips that will keep you from having to scrub. So when you're finished pouring out that beautiful fruit smoothie, tip number 7 is to blend soapy water in the blender to aid in the cleaning process. It pretty much cleans it for you. So once you have blended it up, all you have to do is just rinse out the soapy water. Tip number 8 is to rinse containers immediately. Whatever it might be, this cutter, it takes like 30 seconds to clean if I clean it right away. Tip number 9 is for food containers that you use to store food in the fridge, just rinse it out real quick. And if you don't have time to clean it all the way, leave some water in there and store it in the fridge so that the food does not get stuck on and crusted over. It'll stay nice and easy to clean off later. And finally, tip number 10, my favorite cleaning tip, is to add hot water to your pots and pans when you're finished cooking and to just store it back on the stove top with the top on so that as it cools, it can soak and soften any stuck on food. And I have some bonus tips. One is to clean as you go so that you don't have much to clean later when you're ready to eat. And also to check out some of the live virtual classes that I offer online. I offer cooking classes and minimalist workshops, things that can help you to glow up your cooking routine and to declutter so that you can be able to enjoy your space with new recipes and minimal cleanup.
I hope that you found this video helpful. Be sure to like, subscribe, and comment, and I will see you in the next video.
And yeah, I thought I could, pour it and hold the phone. And I was like, I got this. No, I don't got this.